Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses. Gang, this is a reaction to how meeting at the store turned into a felony. Let's go. I just got off of work, so I'm gonna eat my pizza too.
At around 7 a.m., police responded to a Circle K about a physical confrontation between a 46-year-old mother and two minors. The mother was reportedly angry that her daughter woke her up from being able to sleep after working a 16-hour shift.
You want to talk to me real quick? Tell me what's going on.
Well, my friend's mom, she woke me up out of my sleep because I was trying to come and get my friend, and I guess I met my friend at the store, and her mom followed behind me, and her mom was trying to open my door because she was trying to, I guess, get me out to put her hands on me or something, and instead of her doing it to me, she got my friend, and I tried to...
Ironically, look at what her hoodie says. Dreamer, where are her parents, bro? Why are you doing all of this? And why do you have a bonnet on in public?
Pull away to get my friend in the car, but it didn't work, so she got in the car with her mom, and I guess that's when her mom put her hands on her.
Just hang tight for me. I'm gonna go look at the video footage real quick, and then we'll head over there and see if we can talk to you. So I guess we just had an incident happen in front of the store between a mom and a daughter chasing her around the car. Possible domestic issue. Just trying to see if your camera's caught any of it.
Skipped almost a minute.
Jesus.
Jeez.
I mean, you can't really see what she's doing there.
Yeah.
But I mean, it looks like they just kind of ran from each other.
I guess it's turned into something else in another section of the city. So.
Oh God.
Also, my friend, I let her know that y'all...
This is niggatry, bro. You got mad at your daughter because she woke you up when you were trying to sleep. So you got in the car, chased her, and beat her? Why didn't you just take your stupid ass back to sleep? Interesting. Because you were mad? You know what I like to do when I'm mad? Exactly. I like to go to sleep sometimes.
were coming, but she said her mom left, and I told her I guess she can still talk to y'all, but...
Okay. So we're going to head there and try to talk to her and find out what's going on. Did she say where her mom might have went to?
No, she didn't.
Okay. All right. Well, we appreciate you coming back and talk to us, okay?
Okay.
For instance, we need to hurry up and get there because I guess mom's going to be coming back soon. So let's go ahead and fly over there. Are you okay? Are you hurt at all? Can you tell me what happened?
That's not funny, but it's kind of funny. Oh, of course.
Soon.
Yeah, this is some
Let's go ahead
Florida
and fly
stuff.
over there. Are you okay? Are you hurt at all? Can you tell me what happened?
Followed my friend to the store to come and get me, and then she started chasing me around. And then once I got in the car with my mom, because I didn't want her to do anything to my friend, she pulled my hair and hit me in my head.
Okay, how many times did she hit you?
Why are you telling on moms, man? She's going to jail. She's going to jail after she just worked a 16-hour shift, and she's not going to be able to sleep for another 6 hours, bro. If this is a small county, what day is it? She's not going to county because it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Why you want to hang out with your friends at 8 o'clock in the morning? You don't got nothing to do.
Okay, do you need EMS check you out for anything? Okay. Do you know where your mom's at right now?
I do.
Where's she at?
Well, she left. Well, I can't say I know where she is, but she left. But honestly, probably with press charges on her.
You're a minor, stupid ass. She's going to jail. And if you don't want to press charges, why did you bring your black ass outside? Why are you telling on your mom? You don't even need to go to the hospital. Like, I mean, she probably hits her quite often. But not often enough where she wasn't crying for real. You know what I'm saying? But is she going to jail and you're going to go to CPS? Or you're going to go with your friend, with your family? If you hate your mom that much, that's what you do, I guess.
I probably wouldn't press charges on her this time.
So this is where we're at. It's domestic violence in the state of Florida. I have no choice. I have to at least file it. So I do have to do a report and send it to the state. However, the state can do whatever they want to. And if I find your mom today, she will take a ride. Okay? I don't get that option when it comes to domestic. However, you have options on the back side of it that you can do talking to the state attorney's office. But
see, now you got to do more talking, and now your mom's going to jail because of you.
today, if I find your mom, she's going to take a ride today. Did she rip any of your hair out? Okay. Just give me a second. Do you mind writing a statement for me about what happened at Circle K and happened in the car? That way, at least I got your side of the stories. All I have is your friend's side, Miss Watson's side of it.
I can, but I'm kind of pressed for time.
Oh, that's her.
Okay. Can you at least wait till I fill out this domestic violence paperwork? That seems you just last thing I offered you EMS and give you some paperwork for it. All right. Just give me a second, okay? She's not wanting to press charges, but
Nigga, you gonna see the police and then pull up to your house and ask what happened, huh?
yeah, that's why I told her it's no choice right now. She's got options on the back end she can do, but can you tell me why she was doing all this to you? She didn't say anything to you in the car or anything like that?
Because she felt like I lied to her, but I ain't lied to her because I ain't tell her my business. So.
Okay.
What are you talking about? Look at the friend looking away. I told them a whole different story.
Necessarily lie.
Okay.
I mean, she probably, she told her she didn't know where I was at, but then she followed her, and I left from the hotel and I walked to the store. So I was at the store, but then she was like, and I'm like, well.
Okay. So since you couldn't do a written statement for me, do you mind just raise your right hand so I can swear you to your verbal statement real quick? Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear your verbal statement you gave me is the truth, the whole truth, and but the truth? All right. So I got a couple questions.
Why did it skip like that? Because she raised her left hand instead. Watch. Dumbass kids. You over here at hotels walking to the store. You don't even know the difference between your left and your right hand.
Couldn't do a written statement for me. Do you mind just raise your right hand so I can swear you to your verbal statement real quick? Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear your verbal statement?
See that? Because she raised her left one.
It's the truth, the whole truth, and but the truth. All right. So I got a couple questions. Do you want to be notified if she gets arrested? I gotta have a yes or no for the lovely camera. Do you want to be notified if she gets released from jail?
She's gonna call you.
Okay.
But you don't live with
What's
her?
a good address for you that you might be located? Is that where she stays at too?
Come here.
Oh.
Where's your mom stay at?
So she doesn't even live with her mom? That's why she doesn't respect her. And that's why she's talking to the police.
Honestly,
You don't
I
know?
don't
Yeah, you do.
know the address, but I know sometimes she be at her boyfriend's house. Like, ever since I moved out, I don't be worried about mama too much.
What's a good
She
phone number for?
moved out as a minor and she stays in the hotel. You already know what I'm thinking. I don't want to say that because she is a minor, but
Has she ever done this to you in the past before?
hell yeah.
Yes,
When's the last time this happened?
2 weeks ago.
last year.
Last year.
Last year.
Is that when you were living with her? Or?
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So these, if I don't drop a pen, it's what happens in an injunctions or restraining order. If you do happen to get one against her, it tells you what happens if they violate it and come close to your contact with you.
All right,
If you need anything else, just give us a call, okay? So what's going on today?
Some miscommunication.
Okay.
Yeah,
What's the miscommunication?
a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay.
You know, and I like I told them, I try not to get in her business because she grown.
Mm-hmm.
But when I don't work 16
She's absolutely not grown.
hours, I'm tired.
Mm-hmm.
You call me and woke me up out my sleep. They go wake your friend up.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's just a bunch of mess.
Okay, so what happened at Circle K?
What happened at Circle K? She was at Circle K, so I started chasing her around like, talk to me. I'm your mama, talk to me. I raised my kids to where y'all should be able to come and talk to me about anything and everything.
Okay.
But that wasn't the case. She was like, what? I didn't do nothing. Cherish, you woke me up. So I chased her around. She was like, well, I said, just stop running. Come get in the car. Her friend was there. So she didn't get in the car with her. She got in the truck with me. And we was talking. So we here.
Okay, so you got in the car there, and y'all on the way here. What happened in the car on the way here?
Nothing really. You know, I was talking to her, and I was like, you know what? You know, you grown. You make your own choices, your own decisions. I'm not gonna knock you for that. I was
Okay.
once your age, so it is what it is.
Okay, so then you guys got here. What happened when y'all got here?
That we talked again. That was
Okay.
it. So
And when her friend got here, what happened with that?
nothing. I ain't studying her friend. Her friend just out there like that. So I don't.
Okay. Do you live out here or do you live somewhere?
How she's speaking is kind of confirming my suspicions that she's selling her body, and they're selling their body together. You go from the hotel to the Circle K. I mean, you could just, live in a hotel, walk to the gas station. Maybe not, because her hair is jacked up, but she might not be able to afford it.
Where else?
Yeah, I live somewhere else.
Okay, where do you stay at?
Oh, in the country.
Out in the country, do you have your address?
No,
You don't know your address.
no, it's it's complicated, but yeah.
It's complicated.
Yeah.
If I needed to mail you something and related to this, how would I get it to you?
I got a post office box.
Post office
Yeah.
box. Okay.
Yeah.
If I needed to come talk to you at your house, how would I get to you?
How would you come?
You know your address, Nick.
47.
47?
Yes.
But you don't have the address saying this is on 47?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this
This
is
miscommunication.
this is where I'm just gonna put your hands behind your
No,
back.
no, Cherish!
Not-
Wait, I'm
you're
not.
gonna get tagged.
Cherish! Wait,
Stop. Stop.
Wait.
Stop.
Just relax.
Put your other arm behind your back.
I ain't gonna jerk you.
Put your other arm behind your back.
Cherish! Why am I going to jail?
Man.
Wait.
You put it on the ground because I'm done with this.
No, you ain't.
Then stop resisting.
I'm paying. Can I go
Then
change
stop.
clothes? Please, I'm paying. Please, can I go change clothes? Please.
You've been in jail before. Can you change clothes? Yeah, that makes a lot of sense why you want to change clothes, because jail is cold. Jail is very cold. You don't adjust to it till like the third day, and sometimes you never adjust to it. Because they're trying to keep germs from spreading. And it's already dirty as hell.
No, listen.
You pull from me again,
I'm not.
and I swear
Listen.
you're gonna end up eating dirt. Do you understand?
Excuse me, sir. Wait, please. My arm, I got a torn rotator cuff, please.
You're fighting enough when it's not torn.
My phone ringing. Wait, 1 second, please. Please, y'all.
You going to
It
jail?
ain't like that good, but it's not.
Hello? Wait, please,
How she
hello?
answer the phone?
Stop.
I'm going to jail.
Stop.
Why am I going to jail?
I'll explain to you when you stop resisting,
Listen.
because you just called another charge.
No, I didn't. Why am I going to jail?
I'll explain to you in a minute.
Okay. Can I please go change clothes?
No, ma'am.
No, nigga.
Listen, I just peed.
That's okay.
Providence Perry.
Come walk to my car.
They going with you.
Okay.
My car's right here. So you're going to jail for simple battery and
just
simple
peed.
assault.
Ugh.
But
That's not a felony.
Yeah.
What did she
so
do?
can I
That's
press
felony.
charges against them?
What did they do?
I was assaulted too.
Where?
Which at Circle K.
Because you want to tell me, no, I watched the whole video.
Listen.
I watched the entire
in
video.
my truck.
Okay.
In my truck.
But you want to bring that up now as you go in handcuffs.
Okay.
So have a seat in the car.
So it's a problem.
Get in the car.
It's a problem.
Get in the car. Because you want to wait till you go in handcuffs to bring some stuff up, so I don't really believe you.
Yes.
Turn in the car.
So you don't believe me.
Turn in the car.
Wait, can
Turn in the car now.
I'm trying to put on the ground, man. I understand.
I was done. I was done at that point.
That's why I went ahead and grabbed.
The mother was charged with simple assault.
Oh, she looks rough. She looks rough, bro. She looks rough. She looks like a grandmother and a mother. That's sad. That's not a felony though, bro. That's not a felony, but I still, this was boring too, man. Anyways, yeah, it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the band, you the band, we the band together, man. Life is in the breath. Breathe it in. Peace.